Ladakh, one of the highest regions in the world. A place with such a rich history, with cultural and geographical similarities to Tibet, and with a moon-like landscape that calls for adventure. A place that I believe can best be explored by motorbike. Good morning everyone, I had a great sleep and yesterday we tried to get a motorbike but we couldn't get one, so we got a scooter instead. And it's a brand new scooter and the guy told us that this can go 80 kilometers per hour, so we can still go quite far, but the roads very far out of Leh are quite bad to go with a scooter, so we have to stay within a 70 kilometers radius, something like that, and there's quite a lot to see. We're now driving to a few monasteries outside Leh. It's an hour drive and it is the first time that I drive on the left side of the road, which is kind of scary. We arrived at Taktok monastery, which is a monastery less visited. It's about 50 kilometers away from Leh, and it's a very beautiful site here. And Taktok means rock roof, and they name it because the rocks from like the walls and the roof from the monastery are all made of rocks. Inside there is a cave, and you couldn't film there, but it's a lot refreshing there because it's not that warm as here. And in the winter it's warm, and in the summer it's cold.
Are these like drawings also from the 8th century?
It's I think 16th century.
Oh. So many donations here.
Yeah, the cave walls, the cave, what is it called again? The cave roof.
Yeah, it was entirely covered with
Plastered with bills.
You probably make a lot of money from the visitors here. This is all like on donation basis probably.
There's Tibetan scripture there.
Oh, yeah. Can you read it?
I can try.
Every monastery always has a butter lamp like this.
As big?
Well, I don't know as big as this, but in Tibet they have a lot.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
The subscription of a monk.
The monk subscribed to my YouTube channel.
And he is like the one who takes care of this entire monastery.
Maybe battery. First problem of the day, our scooter stopped working. We just drove 50 kilometers and now we're high in the mountains and now our scooter doesn't work anymore. Maybe it has to cool down a little bit. Okay, we got it starting again, finally. 30 minutes later, we can finally go. Let's go to the next monastery. About 40 kilometers from Leh, you can find Chemrey Gompa, a monastery dedicated to the Drukpa order of Tibetan Buddhism that houses 20 monks. We start by visiting this photographically situated 17th century complex. Okay, we just drove for an hour west from Leh and we're on our way to a Gurudwara. We just arrived here and there's a lot of army people here. So we have to cover our head with a scarf.
Gladly, because our hair looks.
Go. So this is a very sacred place and you have to wash your hands and your feet here before you enter. Sikhism is a monotheistic religion founded in the 15th century by Guru Nanak in Punjab, India. It emphasizes to believe in one God, equality of all people, truthful living and social justice. Sikhs follow the teaching of the 10 Gurus with the Guru Granth Sahib as their holy scripture. This Gurudwara is a place in honor of that Guru. So there was a Guru called G and he rested on a place and there was a demon who threw a rock at him and then the rock became soft and it just landed on his knee and it made a hole in it. And this rock is what is left here. And it is sacred and people come here on a pilgrimage to pray for it. So the story goes that in the 70s they were building a road here and then they stumbled upon this rock and they tried to destroy it with dynamite but they couldn't destroy it because it didn't move at all. And then the Tibetan monks do also see the Guru as the Guru of the Sikhs as a saint. They told him that it was an important rock that couldn't be moved and that they built a temple around it. Bro, better roads, better love. We took a short stop because we found this very beautiful Ghibli landscape where we're gonna chill in for a bit. Hello. I feel like this is from the Teletubbies. Now they should have these microphones that come out of the ground and then a hole where you can jump in. And then say it's time to say goodbye. Time to say goodbye. Let's go to the monastery. For our next destination, we have to drive through the rugged landscape of Ladakh, all the way to a village called Basgo. This place houses a monastery less visited by tourists that offers one of the most beautiful views I have ever seen. We arrived at a monastery high in the mountains in Ladakh and it's called Basgo Monastery, but this one is a little bit less well maintained than all the other ones we visited so far. And I read that it is one of the 100 most endangered heritage sites in the world. And you can see it because the walls are crumbling down, but it's just as much as pretty. I think all this also was once a monastery. I've never been in such a small room with such a big statue. The most amazing about this place is that this monastery doesn't seem like a one that is visited quite often by tourists, because there aren't many people here, if not to say no one. Would you like to stay here at night?
No.
This is the library section of the monastery. And all these are scriptures that can only be read by the monks. Oh, there's someone here. Oh, there's someone painting. Ah, daar zit hij. Wow. Just in time.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god.
He's so big that it doesn't even fit in the entire room. Oh, they've got so many.
Doraemon.
Yeah. This monastery is from the Drukpa lineage, and this is Gyalwang Drukpa, the holiness from the Drukpa lineage. Is this incense?
Yeah.
Tibetan. How many monks live here?
4.
4.
Yeah.
And you also live here?
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
Yeah. 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah, total 3
Wow.
years.
I see there's a lot of restoration going on the monastery now. There were people painting as well.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, it's very beautiful.
Yeah. This wall painting and statue in 400 years.
400 years old. This.
Yeah, also.
Wow.
Color is stone color.
Ah, stone color.
Yeah.
I think this is made from sugar. I think so. I'm not sure. Is this made from sugar? From?
Flower.
Ah, flour.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Oh, it's so detailed. I love how we just exit the temple, and as soon as we exit, he stops singing and he goes on his phone.
He's like, hello.
I think there's one recurring thing in all monasteries, that if you sit here for too long, that you become a bit of a phone addict. Because they always want to follow me on YouTube. They check all their swiping on their phone the whole day.
Snapchat notifications. What does a monk even snap?
This monastery is really impressive. I actually think it makes it look a lot more unique because it's a bit in a bad condition.
It's just sad that it's going away by time.
Yeah. I thought the other one was already big. This one is even bigger.
You think they clean it from time to time?
Of course. Must be difficult to do that. Why is that? You just threw some candles here and the dogs are eating the candles. Even the one, they're waiting for the one that is done with burning to eat it too. It's now 6 and it's gonna be dark in 1 hour, so we're gonna try to drive to Chemrey Gompa, which is a monastery that is 20 minutes from here. And then we're gonna see if they have a room there to sleep, because I know that in the monasteries they also offer rooms sometimes to sleep. So let's hope that we don't have to drive in the dark. We are on our way to find a sleeping place in our next destination. A place that will be filled with surprises, so stay tuned to find out next time. Thanks for watching.